Day 3, Zurich. We're doing good. Game plan for today is Lorenkampf. It takes an hour to get to this place. Take the train, walk, bus, walk, bus, then a 27-minute walk. So, but yeah, let's start right now. Okay, we made it to the walking point off the bus stop. So now it's time to go up. I'm out here. Beautiful. Shooting at the camera. Let me see that. Yeah, shooting some footage in the beautiful Zurich. It looks like it's about to start raining again. Unfortunate, but it's not really too unfortunate. There's quite a bit left to do in Zurich, but I've also got some stuff I gotta take care of on the inside in terms of like in the house. Editing, pictures and photos, making sure I get the videos done. I don't have any client work due right now, which is nice. So I can focus on personal projects. And that's why the rain is so nice, because it gives you an excuse to kind of just be a degenerate and stay inside, but it also just gives you like a good chance to just get work done and not worry about like exploring. Exploring's fun, don't get me wrong, but it is nice to just like have an excuse to be inside. Off the beaten path here. But yeah, so Lorenkampf. All sound pretty cool, especially the gardens. I love gardens, you already know that. But yeah, let's walk this path. I like this area, honestly. Pretty nice, peaceful. I didn't know what to expect, to be honest. I just kind of saw a picture. I was like, nice, nice. So, here we are. Just get lighting. You can see this beautiful face. I'm not gonna lie, this area is pretty majestic, to say the least. It's got a nice, like, majestic view, like that, over there. Perfecto. Welcome to fucking Switzerland, man. That was not a Swiss accent. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Let's continue. Okay, so we're turning up there, right at that corner. Boop beep. And we're vibing. Officially vibe season, baby. Vibe season, baby. Oh, Schwitztern. Got some beautiful water here, Swiss water. Nothing like it. Swiss water is known to be the cleanest water on planet Earth, baby. Don't look that up. The hostel that I'm staying in London is actually pretty nice. There's some downsides, of course. Like, I think a big thing with every hostel is the showers is the biggest problem. Just because there's small showers. You can't step on the ground because you don't want to get plantar's warts. It's just like the cleanliness factor is very hard to shower. The first 7 nights I was there, I was in a 15-person dorm. Snoring was very bad. It was like you walk in at like 10 o'clock at night and just 15 people. I don't know how everybody was snoring. Everybody was snoring. At least that's what it sounded like. The second one I stayed in, not much snoring at all, but I had to deal with these Jordanian guys. And they sat on my bed, they trashed the place, they were loud, they turned the lights on at fucking 11:30 when we were trying to go to sleep, and like, they were just kind of fucking annoying.
What do we got here, little guys? Got a little slug. Another slug, eh?
Slugs on the prowl. Not gonna lie, I thought I'd be busier. Thought I'd be seeing people. No, not a single soul. They get snatched by a hawk in the sky. Well, I mean, you wouldn't even know. Why'd I do that? I have no fucking clue. Just felt like it was right, you know? I've not contacted my family yet. We're 20 days into this, 21? 21 days into this, have not contacted anyone yet. I'm going to today. I've been like constantly going with work, exploring, just doing. I packed everything up just because it's raining. I don't want to get everything soaked. It's not raining too hard. I'm staying out right now. It's probably gonna get pretty bad soon. I actually have no clue. But I like Zurich. I'll drink some water in the morning. I got a list of things to do today. Botanical Garden, which sounds pretty fucking mint. Then Zurich Horn, and then Tramberg Lippel, and then we'll head back, do some client work, which we haven't done today. And then we'll hit our road, because like I think it's gonna rain roughly around 1 o'clock. We'll check. The weather here is very unpredictable. Yeah, 1 p.m. So we'll try to do all this before 1 p.m. Right now it's 10:30, so I don't think we will. Bear with me, we're making our way to the top here. I can't tell if people are coming up or going down, because somebody just came up after I said I'm finally free. But yeah, I'm the only one up here right now. Vibes. Very great first stop. Botanical Garden. Ready for it? Public transportation, 46 minutes. We got this. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing, I'm homebound. Third night in London. Hung out with my friends Peachon and MJ. Peachon, I'm not gonna give her government name out of respect. We drank in the park, Trafalgar Square. Went to the arcade, just kind of did our thing there. I got bullied. Walked around, and then we dropped off MJ at the bus station. The moment she left, we met these two guys with speakers, and what happened was they blasted the speakers. I was like, holy shit, what was that? And he was trying to pick up a girl. He's like, oh yeah, I got her attention now. She probably want to talk to me now. Spoiler alert, she didn't. And then we chatted it up for a bit, and then we started blasting music, and they started playing Michael Jackson. I think it's Girl You Rock My World or something like that. It's You Rock My World. To be honest, I forget the name of the song. It's a really good song. And they started dancing on top of the bus stop. That was fun. And then we went to Piccadilly Circus. We had a whole dance party going on. Yeah, enjoy that. Heading back from, forgot the name of the place. Maximum Vibes. Maximum Vibes. Oh, this spot right here. I'm not gonna dip my head in there again. Oh, you thought? Left-hand turn. Guys, I got fucking bamboozled just now. Supposedly, I was supposed to make a right-hand fucking turn. Now, we're making a left-hand turn, I believe. I don't want to make the mistake again. Yeah, we're turning right here. Day, I don't know what day it was. Went to get a dog with my friend Harry, and essentially ended up not getting the dog. Yeah, we were riding the train and having a good time, and then 30 minutes before we even arrive to pick up the dog, the lady calls. She's like, yeah, you're not getting the dog. We get to Barnsley, which is where we were gonna pick up the dog, and she's like, yeah, we don't trust you guys, like this and that. And she wasn't professional because she didn't ask my friend where she lived. And the moment my friend said she lived in London, like she started going ballistic. So never got the dog. We ended up playing bowling. That was fun. At the arcade a little bit. I think it was like the Walking Dead game. Drove back, and then that's when I met up with Peachon. We started fighting. They taught me dancing. I'm a terrible dancer. I ended up getting into a skirt, and then I ended up taking off my pants and getting into 2 sweatshirts around my waist. Yeah, interesting location to say the least. Mess with the vibe though. It kind of reminds me of like Florida, weirdly enough. I don't know why. It's very odd and peaceful. It's nice though, these little cottages. To be honest, I have no idea where I am. I've never seen this place. We're at the Botanical Gardens. Pretty cool. Free. Free as well, it's free. Finished at Botanical Gardens. It is starting to rain. It is 12:13, almost to 1 o'clock, where it's like says on the thing it's gonna rain. So keep you guys updated. Right now it's starting to rain down pretty hard. We'll find some shelter, or not. It could just be Mavericks. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. What time is it? 2:12? Might hit Denner's. Yeah, we'll hit Denner's. Headed to Denner's. I got food at the house, but I want to mix it up, you know? Might have some more client work, which is pretty cool. More money in the bank. I want to get down to like a consistent schedule with these client stuff. Every day, 1 video. I've got 3 clients. All different payments, all different pay rates. My best one is like really good. I love it, but it's not as consistent, not as much work. I just started though. It could get better as we go.